Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Thomas Spark. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to torrent securely with NordVPN. We're going to be showing you all the things you should be doing with this one, guys. Now guys, if you haven't purchased Nord already, I'll be putting a link in the description down below where you can get a couple free months if you use that link. Also guys, you might want to check out a sponsor of this channel, Incogni. Incogni is a service that you can get that will protect you online. If you guys use my link, you could get 50% off, as you see here, for around $78 a year. I've reviewed this on the channel. It's a really good service that will remove your information from public websites so people can't dox you. It also has a family plan which just got added too, so check that out in the description down below. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and discuss how to torrent securely with NordVPN and what kind of steps you guys want to do. So the first thing to do is to make sure that the VPN is on. And the way you can do that is just connect to a server close by your location. But there are some things you want to do after that, namely a kill switch. I would recommend putting on an internet kill switch. So basically, if the VPN drops connection unexpectedly, it's going to disable your internet as well. And all you have to do is go to the kill switch section here, turn that on. Another thing you could do to be extra safe is turn the application kill switch on. And pretty much what you're going to do is find your torrent application. So I'm going to be looking for it. Oops, I wasn't even showing it. So, okay, so you go to the kill switch section, and then you go like right here, I said here, and then you push add apps, and then we're going to look for it. So for some reason, I couldn't find it in this section. So what I did is I found my installation for Qbit Torrent. You could go to the Windows Task Manager and just do open file location, copy and paste it here for NordVPN to find it manually. And then you could just add it like this. So there we go. You can see I've added Qbit Torrent. So basically what this means is it's also going to quit down the application. So that's like a double layer already to make sure you're secure while torrenting. So let's discuss some of the other tricks we can do. So another very good trick you can do to make sure you never leak your IP while torrenting and you always stay protected is pretty much to bind the network adapter to basically what would be considered NordVPN's internet. So what you do for Qbit Torrent, which is my recommended torrent application, since it has no ads, it's free to use, you pretty much go to advanced, and then you go to the network interface. What you're going to do is you bind that to Nord links, click apply, and pretty much this is only going to work to download stuff if Nord is connected. So that's definitely a solid way to do it as well. And if you're doing that method, you don't even need all these internet kill switches either. But again, at the same time, you can kind of do all these if you really want to. Another way you can do it, guys, is going to the connection tab, and pretty much what you can do is use NordVPN's SOCKS5 proxy. So basically you could copy a SOCKS5 proxy address, which you could find on their website. Here's a Los Angeles one. You're pretty much just going to put SOCKS5 port 1080, click all these things, and enter in the username and password for that VPN, your VPN subscription. So if you use this, your IP is going to be anonymized, and it's not going to be quite as good as VPN in terms of like everything being encrypted. But at the same time, IP is going to be hidden all the same and anonymized through kind of sharing it with other users. So that's something that definitely is pretty good. And you don't even need the kill switches or network binding switch if you want to use Nord's SOCKS5 proxies. Now, not every VPN does use this, so it's kind of something to think about there, but definitely a solid way to do it as well. So guys, a couple other tips and tricks is just make sure your torrent client is up to date. Also make sure that Nord is up to date. I believe, you could see different little notifications if there's an update or something like that. Or usually when you start it, you can see if it's up to date. Anyways, guys, just a quick little tutorial on how to stay safe with torrenting. Another thing you could turn on is threat protection that's included within NordVPN. This will basically kind of act as some kind of leeway before downloading files. But again, torrenting safely and anonymizing your IP doesn't necessarily mean you're not going to download a virus. So always be careful when you're downloading stuff. I wouldn't really recommend opening any .exe files or .exe, anything that's trying to install or start up necessarily. Generally with games and stuff like that is most common to get viruses and things like that. Movies and TV shows and music, all of course that are not copyright protected, should be okay to download as long as there's not anything too nefarious going on. But anyways, guys, thanks for checking out this quick video, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.